be at Bechem United next season? Because there are reports that Kotoko and Nations FC are interested in your services. Will you be at Bechem United next season?
Yeah, I'm still in contract with Bechem United. So actually, there are reports that their clubs are interested in me.
But you're not aware of them?
I'm aware, but it's a decision of the management of Bechem United. Because they gave me the platform.
Okay, so
you
are saying there's an interest, but it's not up to you.
It's not up to me.
Okay. So it's up to Bechem United to decide that, okay, are we going to sell this player or are we going to receive, should we ask for a certain amount and all that? So anything they decide, you go with it or you have your own preference? That's what I want to know.
Yes, I'm happy at Bechem United.
I'm happy at Bechem United.
Yes.
So next season, okay, obviously next season we'll see you in the Ghana Premier League. No matter what club you're playing for, but you're happy at Bechem United.
Let's see what happens next.